Hey guys, what's up? So today we're showing you how to install custom fonts on your iOS device. Of course, on iOS 11.0 and later, so any iOS version above iOS 11, this will work on. So guys, I'll link for this app down in the description. Once you guys are here, you guys want to download this app and then open it up. Alright, so you guys open up the app, you guys get prompt with all of these different fonts. What you guys want to do to install the fonts is go down to the bottom right where it says get fonts. You guys want to tap on that. You guys can go to any of these websites to install the font, and you guys add as a profile. So if someone install a font from this website, you tap on the website. I just chose this website, and then it give you a prompt of all these different fonts. So you have all these fonts, guys. And yes, you have more, I believe. So you guys have a ton of fonts. So let's say one shelter one. You go and tap on download, and then it's going to load up a new page, and tap on import to iPhone, and then go to files, and you see that these are all the ones I imported. But let's say you want to install, I'm saying shelter regular. You tap on install. It's going to bring you to a page. If it says cannot be found, you have to go back. I'll show you what to do. But basically, this should come up, the install profile. If it says like this page cannot be found, so what you guys want to do is go back to the app, and then you guys want to tap on, you guys have files on the bottom. You want to tap on the one you want. Don't tap on install, tap into it. And you guys want to do install on, let's say your iPhone's name here. My iPhone's name is Brendan's iPhone SE, but you tap on install on your iPhone, and then open up the page again, and then this should come up. You guys want to tap on allow. Tap on install, enter your passcode you enter your phone with, install one more time, and basically now guys, it installed that font. And when you guys open the app, you guys see that installed. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.